Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule downtime on MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Do you want to limit the amount of your time your kids spend on their Mac on your daily basis? Fortunately, this is pretty easy to do with screen time, as it allows you to set the time away from the screen during which most apps remain inaccessible. Screen time allows you to keep track of your device usage and also set parental controls and restrictions for the Mac. Downtime is an integral part of screen time, and it's the period during which you use your Mac, the least or not all. Interested trying this out? You can follow this step by step in this video to turn on or schedule the downtime on your MacBook. So first, of course, we have to open our system preferences on our MacBook. Now, from here, I can go to screen time. I click on screen time in here. From here, you can just see there is an option downtime. You can just click on that. So you can just click on turn on to enable this feature. During downtime, only app that you choose to allow and phone calls will be available. Just click on turn on here, or you can schedule. If you want to schedule the downtime, you can just turn on from here on the schedule. You can choose for every day and from 10 p.m. to 7, or you can custom the day, or if you only want to turn on the downtime at Sunday, you can just choose only on Sunday and choose the time range on here. But I just choose on every day, and I will turn on the downtime from 10 p.m. to 10 a.m. to 7. So that is how to turn on the downtime on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.